Hey guys, in today's video I'll be reviewing the top 8 best mechanical keyboards. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Corsair K95 RGB Mechanical Keyboard. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT gaming keyboard may have a long and complicated name, but it's a powerful and impressive board. It comes with a variety of classic Cherry MX key switches to choose from, making it versatile for different user preferences. What stands out is its exceptional design and a multitude of useful features, including support for the Elgato Stream Deck. While not everyone will make use of every feature it offers, the Corsair K95 has a lot to offer, especially for dedicated gamers and streamers who crave a wide range of functions. From customizable RGB lighting to programmable macros and even a convenient volume roller, this keyboard caters to those who want more from their gaming experience. It's a beast of a keyboard that not only looks great with its RGB lighting, but also performs admirably. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT is a choice that blends style, functionality, and compatibility for gamers and streamers who want top-notch performance without compromise. Number 7 in my list is Montech MKey Mechanical Keyboard. You don't need to break the bank to get yourself a top-quality mechanical keyboard. While Montech might not be a household name in the keyboard world, they've managed to offer a fantastic mechanical keyboard for under $100. The Montech MKey is a stylish, full-size keyboard that comes with hot swappable keys and per-key RGB lighting, making it an ideal choice for newcomers wanting to explore the world of mechanical keyboards. This keyboard provides an affordable entry point for anyone curious about the different key switches and the unique typing experience they offer. It's an opportunity to test the waters and see what all the excitement is about without a significant financial commitment. Furthermore, the Montech MKey is a dream come true for keyboard enthusiasts who enjoy customizing their keyboards. The hot swappable keys allow you to easily experiment with various key switches and configurations to find your perfect typing setup. Number 6 in my list is Glorious Pro Mechanical Keyboard. The Glorious GMNK Pro is a keyboard that's cherished by gamers and keyboard enthusiasts. It has gained popularity due to its extensive customization options available right from the start. Similar to our top choice, the Keychron K10, you can purchase this keyboard either fully assembled or as a bare-bones kit. Glorious offers a configurator tool on their website, allowing you to select various plate materials, sock switches, PBT keycaps, coiled aviator cables, and top plates, all available in a variety of colors to match your setup. What sets the GMNK Pro apart is its commitment to customization. This keyboard is designed to be taken apart, adjusted, and modified at any level. You can lubricate your switches and stabilizers or make modifications to the sound dampening materials inside the case to achieve a specific sound profile. However, it's worth noting that the range of customization options can increase the overall cost, and unlike our top pick, the Keychron K10, it doesn't come with a set of tools. Number 5 in my list is SteelSeries Apex Pro Mechanical Keyboard. If you're someone who loves mechanical keyboards and wants the best choice for gaming, then the SteelSeries Apex Pro is the one to consider. This keyboard utilizes OmniPoint switches, a technology that uses magnets instead of a fixed physical mechanism to register key presses. What's special about this is that you can finely adjust the actuation point or sensitivity of every key according to your preferences. In practical terms, if you need a super sensitive DUI-ASD cluster for precise gaming movements, you can set the actuation point as low as 1 mm. Alternatively, you can create profiles with deeper actuation points for all keys when you're typing. Apart from the actuation point, there are several other noteworthy features, including incredibly low latency, a USB pass-through for plugging in a headset or mouse dongle, a comfortable wrist rest, a volume knob, and even an OLED screen in the top right corner. This screen can display GIFs, system or keyboard settings, or even a picture of your choice. It's quite versatile and adds to the overall experience. Number 4 in my list is Royal Kludge RK61 Mechanical Keyboard. If you're looking for a more affordable choice, we recommend the Royale Kludge Air K61. This keyboard is lightweight and compact, making it perfect for smaller workspaces or when you're on the go. It's a wireless keyboard that supports multi-device pairing via Bluetooth, allowing you to connect it to up to 3 devices without dealing with cables, except when it needs charging. Speaking of charging, the keyboard's main drawback is its battery life, which can last up to 10 hours before needing a recharge. While it may not have the premium build quality of some pricier options, it does come with a hot swappable PCB. This means you can replace the default switches with ones you prefer, allowing you to customize the feel and sound of your keyboard. Having a hot swappable PCB also means you can easily replace any broken or malfunctioning switches without requiring soldering, which can extend the lifespan of your keyboard. Number 3 in my list is Keychron K10 Mechanical Keyboard. Few keyboards in the budget price range can match the performance of the Keychron K10. It's worth noting that this keyboard comes in various configurations. We tested one with full RGB lighting and an aluminum case, but there are less expensive versions with white-only lighting and a plastic case. Regardless of the configuration, you get to choose between Gateron G Pro switches, which come pre-lubricated for smoother key presses. What sets this keyboard apart is its remarkable system compatibility and wireless connectivity. It features a toggle on the top that lets you switch between Windows and Mac OS systems, and it includes system-specific keycaps for the modifier keys. Number 2 in my list, NuPhy Air75 Mechanical Keyboard. The NuPhy Air75 is a remarkable keyboard available at a reasonable mid-range price. This compact mechanical keyboard boasts exceptional build quality and a slim, surprisingly ergonomic and comfortable design, even without a wrist rest. Its low-profile keycaps are thin but offer a stable and enjoyable typing experience, and their low profile means you won't need to strain your hands to reach them. This compact keyboard is an excellent choice for on-the-go use, or if you frequently switch workstations throughout the day. Its strong wireless connectivity options mean you can leave the cable behind. You can connect the keyboard to up to 3 devices via Bluetooth or use the included USB receiver. While its battery life isn't its strongest feature, you can expect to charge it every few days to once a week, depending on your usage patterns. Number 1 in my list is Razer Pro Type Ultra Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. For a more budget-friendly option within the upper mid-range price bracket, we suggest considering the Razer Pro Type Ultra. This keyboard boasts a simple yet refined design that seamlessly blends into both office and home environments. While it may not offer the same level of customization or high-end cushioned gasket mount design as our top pick, the Razer keyboard comes with some unique features. Firstly, it's a wireless model, allowing you to pair it with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth. This feature is especially handy for those who rely on a multi-device setup at work or in a home office. Additionally, the keyboard provides 2 incline angles and includes a plush wrist rest, enhancing your comfort during extended typing sessions. Despite its understated design, this keyboard surprisingly delivers solid gaming performance, making it a versatile choice for both work and play in your home setup. Alright guys, this we are today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing incoming videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for updated price of all the products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.